First of all, realize it's a very small space, and whether it's a cab of a truck or a car itself, it's not the same thing as a house. So typically you're going to be using a smaller ozone machine for a shorter period of time. When you're doing this, we're still looking at trying to get it a good treatment. But your treatment time is typically going to be about 45 minutes. The other mistake that is happening is some of these guys on the YouTube channels are suggesting you put the ozone machine outside and that you run a hose to the inside. We really disagree with that, because if you understand that ozone loses its power, or you can't manufacture ozone nearly so well when the temperature is high and the humidity is high. By putting the ozone machine outside, you're really putting it at a disadvantage. We have always put the ozone machine inside, typically right on the console. We turned on the air system so the air is circulating, and we'll just drape the cord out the bottom of the door. There's a gasket there that really doesn't pose any problem for you. Now we're going to give that a good treatment. The air is going to be cooler because the air conditioning is running. It's going to be circulating around through the ventilation system, and humidity is going to be down. So it makes all the sense in the world to treat your car both in the way that we have suggested, and try to avoid some of these poor suggestions as far as how you're going to treat your car. Whether it's a smoke odor, a dog odor, or just a stale odor, ozone is a great way to do that. However, we really want you to think in terms of how to keep it that way. And our SaniSafe product is something that we use in post-treatment to make sure that the germs and the bacteria and some of the stale odors are removed on a more permanent basis. Anyway, you may have questions, so check us out at the National Ozone Association and get that information. If you're a professional, you really want to look at our Certified Ozone Technician course. If you are a layman, take a look at our basic ozone training. These are courses that are intended to really give you the inside track of everything you need to know to do a good ozone treatment.